Hello everyone. Yesterday I have done exercise 6 one number question. So 2 number is somewhat different. It's similar only how you have done one same type 2 also, but somewhat different. You are seeing this 4 minus 3 1 by 2 such type of questions. So I will show you how to do it. So let us go to the question 2a. It's given 4 minus 3 1 by 2. So obviously 4 minus 3 1 by 2, you need to do what? You need to convert that one in improper fraction, as this is a mixed number, so that is interrelated, mixed number and improper fraction. So that's why you need to convert this one into improper fraction. So how will you do it? Denominator used to be same. So for numerator, what do you do? First multiply, then add. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Now the thing important one is that as in case of here 4, if you see, there is in the down portion there is nothing, right? There is no denominator, but actually it happens is that there used to be 1 as denominator. So as we know, 4 divided by 1 is 4 only, right? So 4 here, actually 1 used to be there. Okay, if nothing is there, that means 1 is there. Okay, not 0, but it's 1 used to be there. Now same simple. So 1 and 2 is there. So what will be the, so for making it easy, so if this type of question is come, the LCM used to be 2, the whatever I would say the denominator is there, that one used to be the LCM. So 2 you have got. So if you do also 1 and 2, for 1 and 2 if you do LCM, you will get 2 only. So you get 2. Okay, now what you will do? 4 into 2, because 1 is here, right? So 1 into 2 is 2. So first what you do, for how we used to do in earlier questions also, I have already mentioned. So first you write 4 into 1 into what is 2? It's 2, right? So don't need to think too much, just you have to do what? You need to multiply. 4 into 2 minus 7 into, so 2 into what is 2? 1, right? So you got this answer. So 4 into 2 is 8 minus 7, so you get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is already in lowest term. So same here, if you see, you convert that one in like that, you get 43 by 8. First you multiply. 5 into 8 is 40, 40 plus 3 is 43, 43 by 8 minus 2. Now same, 8 will be the LCM. If you do also in downward, actually in case of here also, downward denominator used to be 1, but we don't write it down, so like that. So how will you do? So LCM you get 8, 43 you write into 8 into what is 8? 8 into what is 8? 1, right? 8 1 ja 8. So you write 1, then minus 2 into 8, directly you multiply. Okay, so or if you think like that, you can do oppositely, 43 into 1, 2 into 8, like that. So you get 43 minus 16 divided by 8, so you get 27 by 8. As this is a what number? I have already improper number, so you have to convert that one in mixed number. So whenever you do, you divide it. 27 by 8, 8 3s are 24, you get 3. So 8 you have written, quotient used to be here, remainder used to be here, so like that. So now in case of question number 3, same. In a long jump competition was there, Ballab used to jump this much meter he has jumped, and Maninder has jumped this much, 4 1 by 5 meters. So how much more Ballab, that means more Ballab has jumped more than Maninder, how much? So that means how will you find? Obviously minus, how much higher? So 5 3 by 10 minus 4 1 by 5 it will be. So again you convert 53 minus 21 by 5. Now 10 and 5, this is a 10 is a multiple of 5, so that's why 10 only it will be direct. And if you have confusion, again I am telling, find the LCM 10 and 5. So if you find the LCM of 10 and 5, you will get 10 only. So I have given directly, because I have already told you the rule. If in case of in the denominator, in the unlike fraction, so if the denominator is a multiple of the another, like this 10, 5 into 2 is 10, right? So 10 is a multiple of 5, so in that case the higher value used to be there. So first, then 53 10 into what is 10? 1. Minus 21 into 5 into what is 10? 2. 5 2s are 10. So you got it. So 53 minus 42 by 10. So you get 11 minus by 10. So if when you divide 11 by 10, you get 1 by 10 as answer. Similarly, in case of number 4, Alam bought 5 2 by 3 kg of, and when he reached home, some fruits were rotten. That means bad. It became bad. So they are asking how much kg were not bad, were not rotten. Okay. So 5 2 by 3 kg, this one, and that were rotten was 1 by 4. So this was is the total, and out of this total, this is the rotten. So when if you minus it, you will get the portion where you fruits that were not rotten. So when you first you convert it, 5 3 is a 15, 15 plus 2 is 70, 17 by 3 minus, again denominator used to be same, 1 4 the 4, 4 plus 1 5, so 5 by 4. Then again these two are co-prime numbers. Again I am telling, if you have confusion like that, you find the LCM, you will get 12. And if you know it, what is co-prime number, 3 and 4 is a co-prime number. Co-prime, they have a common factor as 1, right? This is a co-prime number. What are co-prime? Those have only 1 as a common factor. So this is having only 1 as a common factor. So in that case, LCM used to be what? You multiply 3 into 4 is 12. So then 17 into 3 into what is 12? 3 into 4 is 12 minus 5 you write into 4 into what is 12? 4 3s are. Okay. Then you get 68 minus 15. 5 3 is 15 by divided by 2. You get 53 divided by 12. So 53 divided by 12. So after that 53 divided by 12. 12 4s are 48, right? So minus if you do, you get this is 5. So this is the answer. So that's why 12 denominator, quotient will be here, remainder will be here. So this is the 4 5 12 kg. So question number 5, that's a homework for you. You can do by yourself. Very simple. So with this, I like to conclude. In the next class, we will be dealing with how will you multiply. And it's, I will say the addition and subtraction is somewhat difficult, but if you practice it how I have shown you, that way if you do it, you try to copy it, try to practice it, try to see the pattern, you will be able to do it. Okay, it's very simple. So multiplication will be there. So in multiplication too, it's more easier. Okay, now we will do the cutting, we will cross and all these things. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you for watching.